Oh, got good sand. No, that's rude. Wipe your mouth on that towel there. Right there. Quit it. Now come over here. Woo! Good wave. Do you see him surfing, Daniel? Come here, buddy. Come here.
It's time to rain. Oh, it's raining outside. They had to go back in.
Yeah?
I feel rain dropping on my...
Oh.
Oh no, it's thunderstorming.
Nobody likes the sand more than him.
Ah, yeah. There's we're really good. My ears on my head. Right to...
Yeah, we'll see you cry when it goes in your eyes.
I don't care.
Okay. We'll remember that. That's a genius there.